What an amazing trip coming up for you guys. This time we have trails, rocks, incredible scenery, excitement, and the disappointment. Yeah, there was a little bit of that. So anyway, let's ride. We're loaded up. It's glacier time. Oh, and look back there. Ew. My whole mountain is on fire, you guys. And we're leaving it. We're going to Glacier. There's the setup. I had to take the big tires off the trailer and put those on so that it would fit on the trailer. It did not fit with the regular tires, so when we get to the unloading spot, we'll hurry and flip those off, put on the good tires, and we're out ski, you guys. We just made the first stop at about 25 miles north of home. You guys, Maverick Pizza is the freaking best. We're a little over 2 hours in, and I picked up a stray in Utah County. This is a long ride to take a ride. Island Park, Idaho. Guys, we made it! Everybody's waiting for me. What's up? Here's the crew. Everybody's waiting for me now, so this is just a quick video of all the machines. Check it, check it, check it. Woo! Yeah! All right, we made it. And we're hitting the road for the first night. Hammer down! Got the AC cranked on. Woo! Woo! We're seatbelted in and we're rolling. We're number 4. We got, I think we got 3 more vehicles coming sometime tonight to meet us at camp. So anyway, woo! West Yellowstone, Montana. Let's go. We literally have about 10 miles on the turbo. Mom's crossing her fingers, I'm crossing my fingers. We're gonna make it though, this is awesome. What an incredible bunch of guys. Jump in, help, yeah. Check it out, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for the next one, we'll be on the trail. Rocky Mountain Backcountry, we're out for a few minutes. You guys, that turbo is making a major difference. Woo! Worth every penny. Mama's been driving while I had to do a real estate contract. I'm in the driver's seat now, but she did a damn good job, you guys.
What do you expect?
Right? She's my boss babe. Anyway, here's some of the trail for you. I didn't tell you, the turbo is sweet. Somebody commented on Facebook that they didn't think it'd be worth it.
Oh, it's way worth it. Yeah.
When she says it's worth it,
yeah,
you guys know it's worth it.
You're doing that one or the secondary one?
we are. Campsite number 1. We literally only drove the side-by-sides for probably an hour and a half, maybe. But we're at a spot called Cliff Lake, kind of northwest of Island Park. And we're in this campsite up here. This is Jerry, this is Heath, Richie Wells right there. This is Amy and I, and that's Richie's machine. Homeboy from Louisiana made the trip up. Bo and Jen, and yeah, we're just getting some supper made. Richie, what are we eating?
All right, we're ready, buddy. Jambalaya is ready. Get y'all some plates. We got some jambalaya right here.
Eating good in the neighborhood tonight.
Yeah, we got some gumbo over here. This is actually what we call pastalaya, because instead of cooking it with rice, it's cooked with pasta.
All right.
But it's the same concept. Chicken and sausage pastalaya.
This is why we let Richie come from Louisiana to join us.
That's right.
Right here.
We done ate all the boudin, so this is what we having for tonight.
Thank you, brother. All right, good stuff. Well, welcome to night 1. I think we probably did maybe 25 or 30 miles is all we did today. It wasn't very far. And we're at this little campground, Cliff Lake. And anyway, Mama's putting on her
My nighttime
routine. We got the shower set up on the other side of the trailer over there. And we just kind of hung around camp tonight. It was nice not to just sit and run and gun. Just, you know, on the last glacier trip, we just pounded out the miles as fast as we could. But this time, we're doing like 100 miles a day. Planning on being into camp about between 2 and 3 in the afternoon every day. And just really being chill about it all. The gang is all here. Dave, Bill, AJ, we got a Bronco Raptor with us. We got a Super Duty pulling a trailer. Yeah, we got power to pull that trailer this time. Check it out, you guys. This is one of the twins that I built. The other one is right there. So I'll link a video to that if you want to check the build on those. But we got another Razor. We're all getting packed up, ready to go. We got about 93 miles today. Here's the crew. He's taking the lead. Yeah. Woo! This will be the bouncy part of the video.
Yeah.
Woohoo! AJ! There's Mama in there. Jerry. David. Bill. We're getting the whole team in here. There it is. Woo! We're ready to roll day 2. river
Okay,
right
thank
here.
you.
Oh man, that's a beaut. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at them. Look at those guys down there fishing. Oh, fishing the Madison River. How cool is that? Wow. You guys, go use your side-by-sides. That's all I gotta say. 3 months and I'm almost at 2,000 miles. Let's ride.